Hello, this is George Senda, the guy from Pittsburgh. Because of the problems I had last week, I'm asking people to donate to my emergency fund so I don't have my internet cut off in the future, my bank account overdrawn, or whatever. I had real problems last week. All right, one person tried to donate today, and they wrote the address down wrong, and they couldn't donate. It got sent back as not existing. My email is Falkie, Falkie 2013 at gmail.com. You can send gift cards, cat food, cat toys, and checks and money orders to George Senda, 815 Court Street, number 786, Martinez, California, 94553. I just got a gift in the mail, and I thank the person for that, and I really appreciate any gifts or donations people have given me in the past or recently. This is George Senda, the guy from Pittsburgh. Bye-bye. Hello, this is George Senda, the one, the only, the official, the original, the real, the authentic, the guy from Pittsburgh. Accept no substitutes, imposters, or cheesy YouTube commentators. And this is an episode of Burgh Unboxing as I take the troll killer and open the box. And this is from the fatherland und the motherland, Germany, from Nuremberg, where mine relatives live. And this is from Lebkuchen Schmidt, and this came from Fuzzy, the smartest and richest cat in Finland. Thank you, Fuzzy, the smartest and richest cat in Finland. So let's open this up with the troll killer. I was expecting this Saturday, and by the way, speaking of Saturday, more rain coming tomorrow. Big storm hitting the Bay Area, 50-mile-an-hour winds in the East Bay, 20 to 30 everywhere else. Expect flooding in creeks and streams and rivers and God knows what else. All right, oh my God. Oh my God, look at this. Look at this. Oh my God, it's Abundanza, or whatever it is in German. Sehr gut. All right, we have all this good stuff. We have Mint Elisen Lebkuchen, Elisen Gingerbread Cookies. So we have that, and I will be doing a video of opening these up. We have Lebkuchen Spitzen, gingerbread cookies with whole milk chocolate. I will open one of these up right now. And see, here's what you get. Gotta have one. Okay. And, oh my God. Here we go. Oh, that's good. That's chocolate on the outside and chewy gingerbread on the inside. There's Sergeant Schultz and Hogan's used to say, wunderbar. Nothing like German chocolate. My late mother bought all this stuff from Ballston every year. Oh, and from this company too. They used to send these big tins out. Sadly, Kathy does not like chocolate-covered gingerbread, which is a great pity. This is German comfort food, German rations. High wind watch issued for Martinez. All right. This is Domino Stein mit Marzipan. This is another Lebkuchen Spitzen. This is Feinster Nürnberger Elisen Lebkuchen. Premium Lebkuchen, Elisen gingerbread with some kind of nuts in it. Hazelnuts, walnuts, almonds, eggs, among other things. This is a little Hansel and Gretel house. Almost a pity to open it up. I used to have a little Hansel and Gretel whole house with the witch and Hansel and Gretel and the woodsman or whatever it was. Let's open this up carefully if I can. I'm going to destroy this. This is really like this. Hansel and Gretel, and the other two are not Hansel and Gretel. Max and Moritz used to be very big when I was a child in Germany. I guess they might still be. It's traditional. I get this. There we go. There we go. The tap. Oh my God, these. Oh, these. My favorite. Another triangle. I used to get the round ones from Balsam. And then there's a little thing here which I will not try to read. Das Blau Wunder. There's a whole little story here. Cute little pictures. And how they make it. How they make it in the bakery. It's like a little cartoon. How cute. And the guy opening it up, he's so happy. Lebkuchen Schmidt. Oh, well, this is so cool. Since I got the little house open. Oh, there's one more. There's Speculatius. I don't know what this is, but let's open all these up so people can see what they are. All right, this is the black triangles. Uh-oh, black triangles. Watch out. Black chocolate triangles, no lights. Oh, they're hearts. They're not triangles. They're hearts. Oh, that's good. Okay. That done. These are, and I have a haul video to do when this is done. I'm not going to eat a lot of this. I'm going to save these. Where did I put the knife? Is das nicht ein Trollkiller? Ja, das ist ein little light. Wonk. Wonk. Ja, das ist ein Trollkiller. Okay. Here is kind of crushed cookies, but that's all right. All right, these, the whole row of these, and they're little gingerbread cookies with, I think, sugar in them. Unlike somebody else, I do not eat them and spit them out. They go right in the tummy. Those are good. Put those over there. Kathy went out to Wendy's. You'll see Kathy when she gets back. And we're going to look in the car for my wallet. We just stripped the bed. No wallet. I still think it's in the car. Yeah, God forbid I lost it or I put it down somewhere. I wouldn't leave it on that cart and took it upstairs and forgot about it. All right, this one is the mini. Oh, it's mini. I thought it said mint. Mini Elysian Gingerbread Lebkuchen. So Oh, this one, the plastic has been kind of broken. So it did not fare well, but that's all right. And this is what you get. These are kind of gingerbready, and these are chocolate with gingerbread. Oh. These are the straight gingerbread with the icing on them. I like these. I like it all, but okay. Let's see. Let's open these up. The Domino Stein mit Marzipan. What they look like. Control killer. Little squares of chocolate mit Marzipan. Oh God! I haven't had any. I haven't a lot of this stuff for a couple of years. Fluffy sent me some stuff last year, but oh. And let's see. We open this up, the Feinster Nürnberger Eisenlebkuchen. Premium gingerbread. This is a giant kind of a cookie, and it has a little bit of crumbiness. So we will take a bite here. Right away it crumbles. And that's what that looks like inside. Very good. Well, for some time, my tummy and my tongue will be very, very happy. And let's see, this is, I think we already had this. Yeah, it's another box of Lebkuchen Spitzen. So, same stuff. I love the little house. I will put the little house, a little cute little Lebkuchen 150 gram house. There's the little boy and girl are holding on to their Lebkuchen. And I guess the witch is, yeah, the witch has got the little boy. She bakes them in the oven and eats them. The traditional German story. And unfortunately, they covered up the other picture, which is they have to have all this nutritional stuff. And oh, here's where they throw the evil witch in the oven, and they're cheering because she's burning up. So, but I will put the little house up here, and let's. Oh, I can't put Charmander in the house. I will put the Charmander in front of the UFO, and put the house up here. All right, that's it. Kathy is returned. Come here, Kathy. Say hello to everybody.
What?
Just say hello to everybody. You can
hello, everybody.
All right. This is George Senda, the guy from Pittsburgh. Have a great day. Stay wet, warm, dry, or cool as the case may be. And stay safe out there. And thank you again, Fluffy Cat, and Maddie, and my friend Cindy, and the beloved one. Thank you all for contributing to send this wonderful dessert gift to me. I really appreciate it. Have fun, everybody, and be careful and stay dry wherever you are. Bye-bye for now.